Today, we're going to show you how to assemble a tradesman's canopy, which we strongly recommend you always do on the box trailer itself. Each canopy comes with two ends, two sides, a shelf, a top, a lid, and two handle and tube inserts. To assemble the tradesman's canopy, you'll need the following tools: a cordless drill, some Allen key bits and attachments, an 8.5mm metal drill bit, an 8mm and a 13mm socket, a small shifter, tin snips, and the detailed instructions manual. Step 1. Attach the front canopy panel. Attach the front canopy panel, making sure that the outside of each panel is flush with the outside top lip of the trailer by drilling 2 holes in each end and bolting the canopy to the trailer. Then drill and attach the rear canopy panel in the same way. Step 2. Attach the side panels. Attach the 2 side panels one at a time, ensuring that the side panel ends overlap the front and rear panel ends as shown. Ensure that the outside of each panel is flush with the outside top lip of the trailer. Secure with 4 nuts and bolts at each end and repeat for the other side. Then drill through the 3 pre-punched holes on each side and secure with nuts and bolts. Then tighten all other nuts. Step 3. Lower the shelf into position. Lower the shelf into position and secure with the Allen key style nuts and bolts at each end. Step 4. Lower the top into position. Lower the top into position and secure with nuts and bolts. Step 5. Assemble the hinges. Assemble the hinges to the lids. Attach 4 hinges to each lid. Flip the lid onto the top of the trailer and attach the 4 hinges with nuts and bolts provided. Attach 1 aluminium strut bracket to the lid and 1 to the front panel. Repeat the process until all 4 strut brackets are attached to both of the lids and the end panels. Fit the rubber stripping around the first side of the lid. Then cut the stripping to length and fit the remainder around the other side of the lid. Attach each gas strut to the respective strut bracket. Step 6. Attach lid handle brackets. Attach the lid handle bracket. Then attach the lid handle to the bracket as shown. Step 7. Attach crock locks. Attach the bottom half of each crock lock to the side of the canopy as shown in the crock lock instructions. Attach the top half of each crock lock to the lid of the canopy, making sure that the bottom half lines up accurately with the top half so that it closes tightly. If your top is to be fitted with ladder racks, then please refer to the instruction manual for details on fitting the ladder racks.